Good day to you. Welcome to Studio 88. Thank you, avid viewers, for visiting and subscribing to our channel. I will be doing a series of Adobe Photoshop CC tutorials. So stay tuned. This is the second part of our Adobe Photoshop tutorials. Our topic will be, on File menu. Setting up a new document. I had said on my first tutorial, we will be working on Photoshop, but it would take a long time to discuss. Now, I'm doing a short topic explanations. It will be easier for us to understand Photoshop. Let's start. Here we are again. At our typical interface. Go to File. Click New. In here, we can modify our canvas, or document, the width, the height, the resolution, the color mode, or we choose the prepared templates the Photoshop has to offer. We have here, the US paper system, letter, legal, tabloid, this use inches in measurement. The international paper systems. A4, A3, A6, B5, C5, and so on. This use the metric system. There are more options here to choose. Photo, web, mobile app design, film, and more. So basically, almost anything you need, Photoshop has a prepared canvas for you to work on. But if you want a specific canvas, you can also make one. Let's assume we have a client or personal project. We wanted a banner print with print size of 4 feet height by 6 feet width. We will have this converted to inch. 48 inch by 72 inch. But Photoshop don't have a template for this size. Let's make our custom canvas. Go to document type, choose default Photoshop size. Next go to width. When it's highlighted, we are ready to input our numbers. Type 72 for width, and 48 for height. Double check always units, be sure it is inches. Most mistake on setting up a new document happens here. In resolution, the higher the resolution, the larger the file. The upside of higher resolution, we will have a sharper images. The downside, you will have a larger file size. Let's check our document file size. Check at the bottom right. At 300 pixels per inch resolution we have 889.9 megabytes. This is an estimated file size. Photoshop just showed M, actually it is MB. Let's click OK. Leave our canvas as it is, then we will save it. Go to File. Select Save As. In the file name, input sample 300. On Save As type, drop down list, select JPEG. After that, click Save. A pop-up JPEG menu options appear. So we have 8 quality, 0 is considered the lowest, while 12 is considered the highest. We choose the maximum quality. In format options leave it as it is. Then click OK. Now we check the actual file size of our document. Go to File again. Click Open. Select the file we created, sample 300, by left click. Don't double click. And then right click, while hovering over the file. So we can see the options. When right click menu appears, go down to the bottom, click Properties. Here we see the size of the actual file's size. It's only 19 MB while Photoshop estimate 889 MB. So why is it? Well, Photoshop considers the colors, layers, and other objects found in our file in estimating the file size. Our canvas is almost blank except for the white color. I will thoroughly discuss more on this on my future tutorials. Now, we just focus on setting up a new document or canvas. Let's go to our new document options. we will change the resolution to 120 pixels per inch. The estimated file size goes down to 142.4 megabytes. So now you have an idea how resolution works on file size. Next we will discuss about color modes. We have here bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK, and lab. Bitmap color mode only have two colors, black and white. Grayscale mode uses different shades of gray in an image. In 8-bit images, there can be up to 256 shades of gray. Grayscale values can also be measured as percentages of black ink coverage. 0% is equal to white, 100% to black. RGB stands for red, green, blue. In 8 bits per channel images, the intensity values range from 0, black, to 255, white. For each of the RGB, red, green, blue, components in a color image. RGB images use 3 colors, or channels, to reproduce colors on screen. Although RGB is a standard color model, the exact range of colors represented can vary, depending on the application or display device. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and K for black. Most printers nowadays, either small or large printer, use the CMYK process. In the CMYK mode, each pixel is assigned a percentage value for each of the process inks. The lightest, highlight, colors are assigned small percentages of process ink colors. The darker, shadow, colors higher percentages. For example, a bright red might contain 2% cyan, 93% magenta, 90% yellow, and 0% black. In CMYK images, pure white is generated when all 4 components have values of 0%. Lab color mode. The CIELAB* color model, lab, is based on the human perception of color. The numeric values in lab describe all the colors that a person with normal vision sees. That was a long discussion for just creating a new document. I hope you have learned a lot through this tutorial. Don't forget to click the subscribe and bell button if you like this tutorial. Thank you.